It's open now, and it goes from Center East Park, got a new little parking lot there, bridge crossing Delaware Creek, and you go south through Fritz Park all the way down to Oakdale. The next phase will be along Nursery Road, when they redo Nursery Road, and that's to go out to bid late summer, early fall. And then once that's completed, you'll have a true connection from Center to Mountain Creek.
We are one of the most connected cities in the Metroplex. For residents who haven't had the opportunity to go out and explore our trails, I would really encourage them to go out, get on a bike and just ride and just really be blown away by all the scenery out there on our trails.